Well, I guess it died. There's the muffler, new muffler. We'll see how that works. And then, fuck, where is it? Shit. Oh, there it is. A new catalytic converter because somebody stole the last one. And I guess you can't really see that, can you? Right there, right where that bolt is. Those two flanges, I put the high heat JB weld on it, let that soak. I mean, put a generous amount, and then the next day, right on the edge there, I used regular JB weld, and it's actually held up on those leaks. So, yeah. So far, so good. No leaks here. Put your hand up to it, no leaks. And that's all JB weld over the top of JB weld high heat. And there's two flange gaskets. I buttered up all sides of that with JB weld high heat. Put it together, let it sit overnight, and I bolted it down tight on those bolts that you can see. So we'll see if that'll work. I think it will. But what a pain in the ass. The damn thing just... Yeah, so it's blowing out the sea foam. The guy says that's the cure. After plugs, oil. The only thing else after that's shit. I'm not going to replace the rings, and I'm not doing a valve job because it doesn't need it. You know, but out here they're just assholes when it comes to emissions. It's just not even needed. But anyway, gang, we'll see what happens. I'm really curious to see if this is gonna work. Sturdy, but the engine's really been taken care of. Swapped out these a while back. Swapped out that hose today. I think it'll work. Alright, gang, fun and games never ends. We'll catch you on the next YouTube. We'll see if it'll pass emissions.